Today is Sunday, October the 13th, and we've had nothing but nasty weather. The whole ground was covered in snow here at 7 o'clock this morning. It's 1 o'clock now. It's 34 degrees. As you can see, my truck is still covered in snow. We had pouring rain all day yesterday, and I have 2 pigs on the loose because I was trying to move the 2 sows down to the barn for the winter, away from the boar, and the big steers followed me to the barn, and they all collected at the barn door, and the pigs ran back up here again, and it started pouring rain like crazy and 30-mile-an-hour winds, and and they've been hanging around the yard here because I fed them last night. I just called Piggy Piggy and they all came running, and I fed them. I fed them all out here. And there's the boar there. That must be the male calf there. Yeah, it's 34 degrees, but it feels like 5 below because it's so damp. It is so damp, and the wind is chilly, and this system is supposed to keep twirling around until Tuesday or Wednesday. It's just like, it's just spinning, you know. 1 minute it's raining, and next minute it's snowing, and it just keeps going round and around, and it's a very large system. Let's see if I can find I got all my tools in here because I was down working on the boat. I was down working on the boat on Friday. Was it Friday? Yeah, I was down working on that boat on Friday. And I have all my clothes piled in here. And tools, and there's the other mitt right there. I damn near froze my hands off yesterday trying to get those pigs moved because I even have all the feed in the truck here. I got to unload and put in here yet because it started pouring rain, and it started pouring rain like crazy, and half ice, half rain, and it was just nasty. And like you guys know from previous videos, I have no circulation in my hands or my feet and my legs, so I get cold really easy. I hear the 2 sows. There's the 1 sow there. Yeah, hi Piggy. Are you ready to move today? Hey, are you ready to move today? Hey, are you ready to move today? Hey? Are you ready to move today? What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? Let's see if I can find something here to clean the snow off with. Oh. There's the other piggy. Yeah, so I have to get a couple of bags, a bag of cracked corn, a bag of ground wheat out of there, and mix it in a drum. I had done stupid pig some feed, and I'm stuck in the bottom of the pail. So I gotta dump some in there and I'll be right back. You ever try to get anything done and you got piggies loose in the yard and they're pulling on your feed bags? You know, they get right up in the truck because they smell the feed. And I'm trying to find a bag of barley and a bag of corn. And I got piggies pushing me around and pulling the bags of feed. And all that fun stuff. Now we just pushed it on the ground. Oh well. It's always fun. Loads of fun. I can't do this one. Oh yeah, I did. Are you attacking that bag of feed? You know, I got everybody fed and I'm just dripping, soaking, sweating. I wish the doctor would find out what the hell's the matter, because I get all sweaty like this, just runs off my nose and I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Got everybody fed here. I'm gonna give this girl a little more, another pail of grain, because she's looking a little thin, because she gets beat up by the boar and the other pigs, and she backs away from the food. She doesn't like the competition, so she's getting a little bit thin, so that's why I've been trying to move that one and this one down to the barn, and just keep the the boar up here and the one castrated male until I kill him. If I can ever get the strength to do it. And my last 2 pieces of firewood. That's it. And that darn saw, once you get it going, it'll stay running. It's the problem to get it going. And like I say, I put a new carburetor kit in it, but it wasn't the exact kit part number for that saw, because they don't make parts for it anymore. But it was close. And the diaphragm, both holes were identical, but the center of the diaphragm was a little bit smaller. Yeah, the young calves, they get trapped on the other side of that pig wire down there. There's a little alleyway there, and then they won't step over that 18-inch high wire. And they don't know enough to go out, back out and around and up. Good old Caministicor clay, red clay. Yep, good old Caministicor red clay. I get water out of the tank, the stock tank for the turkeys and 2 geese. I sink up to my ankles in mud. I guess it's red clay and cow shit that's around that feeder. And you eat heat all that up. I have to put this hose away pretty soon, because the frost will crack that brass thing. I've lost so many of them. They're 32 bucks a piece Canadian. Okay guys, that's an update on this miserable country up here. This isn't supposed to break up till Tuesday or Wednesday, and even then it might just be raining every day like it's been doing for 2.5 months already. Got to get that snowplow done. I'm starting to really freak out. But it's just like any little thing I go and do, and I just break out in this heavy sweat, and I feel like I'm gonna pass out, and I have to go in and lay down like I do right now. And so that's it guys. I gotta go in and lay down, dry myself off, and before I pass out. Talk to you later.